澳洲南部地区遭遇狂风暴雨严重侵袭，造成至少4人死亡、3人失踪，数百人失去家园。澳洲看守内阁总理特恩布尔原本将到朗塞斯顿竞选拉票，但是最后宣布暂停竞选活动，转到新南威尔士视察灾情，慰问灾民。
Bill Shorten and I were in touch yesterday about the response to the disaster, and of course we are absolutely united in thanking and supporting the communities that have been affected by these shocking storms. And while we disagree on more than a few things at the moment in an election campaign, we are very much on the same page in supporting these communities. And
除了特恩布尔，反对党领袖孝顿也暂停所有的竞选活动，到灾区协助赈灾活动。他在离开南澳前宣布，工党将拨款400万澳元或大约1200万令吉作为赈灾用途。